And that is it. We are on our way. Captain hat and all. Say hello, Dad. That was a good hello. Hey guys, my name's Andrew, captain of Sailing Aphrodite, and I'm starting this channel to do my circumnavigation around the world. Tried to start it once before, but after a detrimental engine failure, it did not happen last year. I've been a year away from the boat, and a lot of things have been neglected on it over the past year, to say the least. So I just got back from New York from the Virgin Islands. I was working as a scuba instructor down there to save up some money so I can chase this dream of self-sustainability and world travel. In this video, I'm going to pull the engine out of my boat. That is the next phase. Ain't that right, Ma? She says right. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so now I'm going to take over with this voiceover. We're going to go over the before, the during, and what it looks like now. This is a clip from one of my first YouTube videos. I'll add the link of the restoration. This is how bad it used to look. But then this is what I walked up to about a week ago when I came back from the Virgin Islands. My boat was completely flooded. There's mold growing everywhere. It was disgusting, absolutely disgusting. It was mind-blowing for me, and so we got a lot more work to do, but we're working. So we organized everything, put everything away, took everything out we did need to, and of course I pumped all of that water out of the boat, as you can see here, draining off and away. And this is what it looks like now. After we cleaned it, by we I mean me and my sister, she helped me out, but it looks phenomenal now. It's so much different. It looks like a boat again. I have nothing but smiles now, and I can see the trip happening once more. So I also have a solar panel system set up on Aphrodite. That's those green lights you see to your right there. That's my solar charger, which basically runs everything on my boat. I have 400 watts right now. You can see on the back of the boat there, those are the panels. She needs some work, she needs some love on the outside, but once I do a bottom paint and run some acetone over there, she'll be ready to go. But let's get into the engine removal now. Well, it's coming to that point. We're ripping this damn engine out. By myself, and I have never taken an engine out before, fun fact, so well, let's see how this goes. There she is. My worst nightmare. Okay. All right, step one. We have 4 engine mounts. 2, and then the other 2 are back there, which I'm gonna have to squeeze my big ass back there. Then we got some intake hoses we got to disconnect. Here, one big one back there, and then there's some fuel lines to the pump I gotta deal with back there. Okay. So this is how I get in and out of the engine bay from the stern. I did this so many times, you don't even want to know. Bigger.
It's quite gross back there.
Oh, thanks. I didn't notice. I was having a hard time noticing stuff like that back here.
Just you.
No. Are you crying? I'm crying. I'm crying. Ah. Oh, yes. Sweet baby Jesus. You're loose. You're loose. Just so you guys have a comparison, I'm 6'3", 205 pounds. This is a 33-foot, 1979 Endeavor sailboat. Okay. All right, what's next? So, everything's disconnected in here. Cables, wires, hoses, plugs, mounts, you name it, everything's disconnected. I got a hoisting chain right here that I've got hooked up. That I'm gonna hook, well, actually I've got it hooked up wrong. So, hold on. Oh. Now there's a hoisting chain, and I just kicked the old oil filter into the water. Looks like I need a new oil filter now. But now I just disconnected the battery from my solar panel system, so I can now connect it to my electric hoist, which I'm now going to connect to my boom with that ratchet strap, and hope and pray that the boom and the forestay don't break. Let's find out. Okay, talk about sketchy. Let's free her up. Swing her over. And now we got our winch hook ready to pull that engine out. Here we go. Are you nervous? I'm nervous. All right, hold on. Oh, shit. Oh, that is terrifying me right now. Oh, okay, I gotta go. Guys, if I'm being honest, I didn't think I was gonna make it this far, so I don't really know what to do right now. I think it's like this kind of large. I almost made a boo-boo. I left the throttle cable connected. Be right back. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We did that. We did that.
Oh.
I made a boo-boo. Freak me. Freak me. Who's got to do their floors, Becca? Yeah, I do. I do. It doesn't look too bad, actually, on the floor. We got her done. She's out of here. All right. There once was an engine that could. Now it can't, so it won't. So now, it's right there. Spilled oil. Oh, that's oil. So no smoking in the boat. Gotta rebuild the solar system back together. That's gonna be a tomorrow job. Disconnect the winch and the winch. Alright guys, that's all I got for you on this one, but I'm putting in the engine this week, so stick around, and if you like this kind of stuff, I'm going to have a lot more coming. Eventually, once things go my way, we'll be sailing around the world.